Hello everyone, my name is Jessica and I am part of the awesome team here at Regency at Encino. Currently right now I am standing in one of our available 2-bedroom apartment homes. This is one of our Rodeo floor plans, which is 1,100 square feet. We are in apartment 218, which is a second floor corner location, and this apartment home is absolutely beautiful. It's been newly renovated, and by newly renovated, I wanted to kind of give you guys a tour of what I mean by that. So let's check out this amazing kitchen. We got the beautiful brand new cabinetry, and then the white quartz countertops, and then also this beautiful backsplash, which is my favorite. What I love about our community is that all of the appliances are included. So we have a stainless steel dishwasher, a gas stove, built-in microwave, your refrigerator that does have a built-in ice maker, and then you have all of this awesome cabinet space as well. Also, all of our apartment homes happen to have a stacked washer and dryer, which is extremely rare to find in the LA area, but our community has them. So here's our living room area. And this particular floor plan, what's very cool about it is that it has a dual master suite setup. So it has both bedrooms on the opposite sides of the living room area, but you have a lot of that storage. So you have a really nice little storage area or dry bar area. You have also a gas fireplace, and then your balcony, which looks out to our community courtyard area. This would be your front door, and then you have your dining room area. No carpet in the dining area, which is awesome. And then let's check out one of the bedrooms. So off the hallway into the bedroom area, we have an awesome walk-in closet. And then this is one of the bathrooms. So this has the stand-in shower. There's also an extra linen cabinet. And then into one of the bedrooms. And now we're gonna make our way to the other bedroom area. It's almost pretty identical to the other side of the apartment home. So you have another walk-in closet, separate vanity. And then this is your shower tub area and toilet area. And good bedroom size. Some more cabinetry. All right. And there is the tour of apartment 218. This is available now for immediate move-in. So if you're interested, check out our website and reserve this apartment home today. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.